Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science, SPCGCA Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final. Name of the paper is Political Science and Research Methodology, and in this video we will discuss the scientific method and value problem regarding our subject. So let's start. It is necessary for the study of our discipline that it adopts the scientific methods to develop and to become more scientific like other disciplines. According to Carl Pearson, there is no shortcut to truth, no way to gain knowledge of the universe except through the gateway of scientific method. It indicates the importance of scientific method regarding our discipline. Basically, science is correlated with the knowledge that has happened in the past, the present scenario, and what will happen in future, but through scientific methods and equipments. It is a method to analyze the reality which is based on observation, that is empirical. A science has three features. Three features are there of science. First one is verification, second one is system, third one is generalization. So verification, system and generalization. According to the political thinkers, science is related with method, not with subject matter. Mainly, it is made of systematic observation, classification, and interpretation of data. Science is mainly collecting the facts through observation or empirical studies and experience, and these facts are classified and analyzed, and it makes a researcher enable for prediction and generalization. Scientific method is a system or process of techniques to achieve the aim of generalization for attaining the end of discovering general laws. Unity of scientific method is also one more feature of the disciplines, but it changes its nature according to the different natural sciences. Here it is correlated with the nature of the discipline. Therefore, according to the thinkers and researchers, scientific method shall not be considered the same for all the disciplines. It is natural that scientific method changes itself according to the need of the discipline. The basic feature of scientific method is that on the basis of facts and evidences, generalization should be possible. Like the scientific methods of natural sciences cannot be implemented or not applicable for the social sciences in the same manner. This is the fact that scientific method emphasizes on observation and real analysis of facts and ideas, and new methods and equipments which are necessary for a discipline to become more scientific and more developed, enables a researcher to keep aside his own values and ideas, and they do not affect the scientific study in this regard. So this was the meaning of science and scientific method, and we will keep this chapter continue in our next video. So that's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.